in the media or the information.
She was pro-people. She could not antagonize anybody. That was not her nature. She was a committed member. But for me, first I was a PC. So when he came from the bush, I had to, he was my classmate, schoolmate. Not schoolmate, but contemporary. He was my contemporary. He was in the media, I was at Kitalo and Niri. So we knew each other. Politically, we have been working together since our youthful days. What I have lost as a person, I have lost my daughter. Very humble, but respect everybody. I think I saw her. She couldn't recognize anybody. That was not Sarah. She couldn't antagonize any person at all. Very hardworking. She used to move all over the district in just one day. That is Sarah. Even here, that's why people voted her. She had the potentials, and she has shown those potentials. And this is just a few years she has been with them. Great working, if you know her. But that is the work of really the younger people. You have to work hard. Couldn't abuse anybody. I don't know, but maybe there was no grooming her. Don't you see the environment in which she lived? I've lived the political life. So she had to emulate me.
Start the anointing.
I was of the view that President Museveni, in his own wisdom, which he has, and enough of it, if it was a quota system of having a representative in his cabinet when they sit every Monday, he can think about someone from Kisoro and becomes a minister of whatever ministry that there can, as long as he comes from or she comes from Kisoro, and that we can always also feel that in the Parliament of Uganda someone is representing us, because she has been representing us in the Parliament, which is very good, but also now we feel there is dark corner in the cabinet. Her seat there is vacant for the people of Kisoro, and I think the president can do something about it. Really hurt, dumbfounded to be part of the community of Kisoro that has lost this important person called Honorable Kitalo Mateke, who the president himself chose out of many of us who are elected leaders to be a minister one time for Youth and Women Affairs, and now Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs. She has been a darling to the central government, but also passionately loved by the people of Kisoro. We have lost an industrious person, a person who has been innovative, who created a university and many campuses made to stay here, where all people that belong to Metropolitan University come and graduate here, sleep here, eat our food, and then add value to people of Kisoro's income. Of course, we have got, for the first time, a person who is a politician, showing that there is more to politics than politicking, using their own money to build a nursing school, or put up a metropolitan radio FM. This one is a challenge, but please make sure your income as a politician is not lost in politicking. So to us, we have lost a very passionate person. Today, if you see how Kisoro looks like, the dark cloud leader was covering the skies of Kisoro today. People in the markets were whispering, murmuring to each other about the situation. In bars, nobody was talking to each other. Even drinking beer or soda was not crossing the throats. People in the saloons, people in the streets, all of them are very dark, cold because of what has happened today. And
What is your prayers, Kisoro people?
Our prayers in Kisoro, that one want to thank the President of the Republic of Uganda for having entrusted the late with a ministerial position. At first, she was the Minister of Youth and Children, which she did diligently, and when they reshuffled, she was given another ministerial position of Minister of Defense and Veteran Affairs, particularly Defense. So we are appealing to government that since we have many potential leaders in Kisoro and who have worked for this country diligently, and our MPs inclusive, who are requesting government that in case there is an opportunity to again give us this ministerial position, the President looks around the people of Kisoro, either MPs or any other person who is a pillar in this district, and we maintain this position so that Kisoro cannot lose at the national level. Thank you very much. President Museveni cyo kwanza no kumusima abwo bwisije bwabitiramuhire akamubwa Minister wa State for Children and Youth and Children, kandi imirimo yabirakoze munonga ya urushafoka yizire President yareba karyo mukozi wa mani yamubwa Minister wa Defense. Turukushaba Kisoro ubwo tubire twinabebembeza abandi turukushaba President Museveni ngo iyo opportunity tubire twine atuyambe ataje twihaho aronde ndijo muntu muri Kisoro yaba MP nango ndijo muntu urakura chiwara turamanya uraho turari recommend ngo akora abafumbiraje ashwa tuhe iyo ministry ya nangwe ndijo ministry konka tutabe mfuzo bwa kabiri nebara twashasha mnonga habwo kuferwa Minister witu ona busara Mateke ubirare nshinji wa Kisoro na munonga na Kigezi yona kuko kugira ngo ikuturetire ntunguka na munonga mu bintu byo kugira ngo aturayamba region kugira ngo tuhike kuntunguka twaferwa muntu w'amani kandi ukozere byinji na munonga no kurebera ngo abakazi abana batunge ntunguka kugira ngo Kisoro nangwa na Kigezi yitu nayo eze hamutindo. Afira ari Minister wa Defense aho tuwe twine ebintu byo kutekateka konka areas nka Congo na munongo tuture twine borders ziri closed zitari kukora tuwe twine masiko ko abwo kukora kwe berabasa kugururwa tukatandika businesses abantu bitu bakatandika kushubura waza kora Kisoro tukagaruke nyuma munonga abwo mu byo kushubura abwo kugira ngo borders ka closinga abashubuzi bona bagaruke nyuma. Twashasha na family ya Dr. Mateke kunga twasaba government ya Uganda kugira ngo izi projects zona zatwirayine na munonga je kuranga urukuto rukuza mugahinga urukuto rukuza rubuguri inteko ezo zona abiyabyine mu plan kandi ari gukora ari twananisa n'abataka kugira ngo pushing government kugira ngo izimishinga ya government yone korwe. So tukushaba government kugira ngo aho yahisya mutabyemerezaho instead mugumizemo kugira ngo turenga abantu ba Kisoro babone intunguka eshemerire abanakigezi bo namwe bari munonga. I stand to condole to the family of Honorable Dr. Freeman Mateke for the loss of the daughter, Honorable Minister Sala Mateke, who was a pillar in the council of Kisoro district. Whenever we could require some lobbying from the central government, we have always approached her for this purpose, and she has been doing it effectively, so which is a very big loss to the people of Kisoro district and Kisoro district council in particular. Well, we want to appeal to the government that she had started many projects, including the tarmacking of Kisoro Mugahinga Road, where she had a lot of interest to have the road tarmacked. Kisoro Bugindi, Kisoro Bugindi, Rubuguri Road. She has been pushing terribly for so that Kisoro can benefit from the projects. She had also started a project at Nyarusiza Health Center 3, where she was lobbying for funding to have the facility expanded. There is also a project of the bridge in Busanza. All of these what was under pressure and real initiative to support government. So we want to appeal to the government that you really have to come in and have these programs and projects completed, so that we shall keep remembering her for the efforts. Also want to establish and thank her for the empowerment of women and children, particularly when she was still the Minister of Youth and Children. She empowered the women, and at least you would see that there is some changes in the women of Kisoro district. Still, she had also, with the partners, developed Metropolitan International University, where she was offering scholarship to students. We really feel that the government could still come in to keep helping these students. As you know, Kisoro community is poor, and since we had the only private university around, it has been helping Bafumbira, and we really don't want to lose these chances, so that the Kisoro can still shine as it has been. Thank you very much.